Right here on the gas valves with the new detectors that are very sensitive, I can get a detection right there at this vent. It actually says vent right there on the gas valve.
Mm-hmm.
I can get a detection there every time on any gas valve in town, as long as it's the type with the vent, which almost all of them are.
Right.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. And then there's more. The orifices that come out of the manifold here, when the gas shuts off at the main valve here, there's the pipe here, the manifold pipe, is still filled with gas, and it gradually seeps out of the little orifices here over time. Sometimes it's a short time. If it's real level, it's over a very long period of time. This particular one, when I got here, it was a normal amount leaking. You do what you call a tape-off test, and you basically seal off all the other orifices except for one of them, and you put a little soapy membrane on there. And if that soapy membrane doesn't grow on the one that you leave open, it's not leaking through.
Right.
But if you just use the electronic detector, it'll almost every time, unless it hasn't run for a month or 2 months, almost every time you will get a reading there with your electronic detector.
I see.
That's really the only way to know.
Okay, good.